3.
Hello. Today, we're going to be seeing lions. And a bird. Let's be on our way. There's a lot of leaves. I'm African if you didn't know. Yeah, let's go. First, we find the bird by looking for its feathers. Oh look! There's a bird! Would you like some feed, bird? Eat it! Eat it, you bird! I'll have you for my dinner! I think we lost the bird. It's trying to attack me! The bird is leaving us now. I fear trouble is coming. Grab a weapon, why don't we? Get the fuck off! The bird is running away. I hope nothing attacks me. That'll be horrible. So, all I have now is a stick and my cameraman. We have to survive. Oh look, I think there's a lion den. But where are the lions? I don't see them. Where are all the animals? They've left us. Oh darn. Oh, I spot some lions and a bird. Birdie, I want to feed you. Come for some feed, bird. Birdie, I want to feed you. What are those mischievous lions doing over there? What? They look like white people. Why do the lions look like a white person in the Canadian? What kind of lions are in this jungle? And then there's a freaky bird over there. What are you doing, lions and birds? Oh my, why is the lion waving at me? I'm scared. Run!